我的早餐用南瓜花鸡蛋面粉煎的南瓜花饼和咖啡。昨天晚上我先生回来以后，看到我的发型也惊了一下，但是他并没有认为有多么好看。哎，他不懂，我们自己感觉好看就行了。女人不必为男人来装扮自己，而是要按照自己的喜好活出自信和美丽。最近感觉到有点累，所以昨天我先生说，是不是应该测一测有没有得 COVID。 我一直害怕使用政府发的这个测试盒，是因为它需要用棉签捅在鼻孔里。我先生说，你不需要捅得太深，你只要放在那个中间的位置就可以了。所以在他的指导下，我昨天做了个测试，结果怎样呢？
This is the COVID home test. This is one of the different types of home test for COVID. Okay? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's the three things that you need. Inside here is the little test card. It looks very much like a pregnancy test card. Okay? And then this is how you get the sample from your nose. And then you take this and put it in here, swish it around. Then you use this to put drops of the liquid on here. And then it goes across the liquid, absorbs, and goes across the piece of paper that's inside this. And it shows up like this. If there's two lines, it doesn't matter how faint. If there's two lines, then it's a positive test and you have COVID. If it's one line, then it's negative. Not all the tests work this way. You have to read the instructions for each different kind of test to know whether one line means positive or one line means negative. You have to look at each individual test, okay?
Okay.
So this thing, you're only going to put it up to here. No, not way back, right here.
Okay.
Okay? Wait a second.
No,
No, I need you to know what you're doing. If you do it wrong, then the whole thing is useless. So I need you to listen to me. Okay, when you put it in your nose, just right here, you're going to go around 5 times. Okay? Then you're going to take it out, put it in the other one, and go around 5 times. Okay? Then we're going to open this up, and put it in here, and mix it around.
Okay.
Okay?
Give me the scissors.
You don't need the scissors. Okay. Yep, that's plenty. All the way around 5 times. Go slow. It should take 15 seconds. Thousand 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014. Okay. Hold it. I don't know if you need to wipe your nose. Do you need that on your nose?
Please open it.
I'm going to. Okay. Now we're going to put this in here. See, we go in here and we stir it around 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15. Now, part of the trick here, you see here, it says to squeeze this because you don't want the fluid to stay on the cotton. You want it all to come off in the plastic. Okay? Give me, no. Give me that thing. No, that thing.
Oh, you want to put it in.
Yes. It's just an easy way to keep it clean.
Okay.
Okay. Now open that up. Use this to add 3 drops into this little hole. Start a timer for 15 minutes.
You don't have the timer app installed.
I think you're wrong.
The timer has about 14 minutes left.
We have a long time, but I want you to notice you can already see the line under the C. That stands for control. If you do not have a line under the C, something went wrong and the test is not even working. So at least we know the test is working.
Yes.
Now we will see if a line develops under the T after 15 minutes. We have 2 minutes left. The fluid ran down the paper that's inside the test cartridge and flooded across the paper over here, left a single line underneath C, and that means control. And that line proves whether your test itself was working and valid. Then under the T, there would be a test line if it was positive for COVID. If there is no line, it is negative for COVID. And like I said earlier, not every test works exactly the same way. So you need to be aware of exactly how to read your test. And that's explained very well in the instructions. If you have a negative test, there is no line under the T, then you may want to wait 24 hours and test again. There are sometimes, in rare cases, there can be a false negative test, that it simply has read your fluids before the COVID virus has duplicated enough inside your body to produce a result. But if you do the test a second time 24 hours later and it is still negative, then you definitely, absolutely do not have COVID. So, 20 seconds left. Do you see any line at all under the T?
No.
Right, I don't see a thing. If there was even a faint line, even just a shadow of a line, we would consider that a positive test.
2, 1. Got it. Oh, I have no COVID.
You have no COVID. Now, depends on how you feel about whether you want to test again tomorrow.
Tomorrow night.
Yeah, about 24 hours gives it enough time that if you did have the virus, but it has not yet duplicated enough to show up on the test, that should catch it.
Okay, thank you. 我最终测出来的结果是阴性的，我没有得冠状病毒，但是我先生说还得再测一次，所以24小时以后我再测一次，这样呢更加的准确一些。